So method number 2, the way to do this is you're completely beginning and staying on Binance Smart Chain network.
Okay.
Now, what you're going to do is to buy the PRQ tokens from PancakeSwap, which is their DEX. Yeah.
Okay.
This way is much cheaper just because of the Binance Smart Chain network.
Yeah. Okay.
So, you need BNB, BUSD, USDT, whatever you have. We're going to assume that you have these funds in your Binance Smart Chain MetaMask wallet.
And you need BNB to power all the transactions. Am I right?
That is correct. So just
Okay.
like Ethereum is the gas token for Ethereum network, BNB is a gas for Binance Smart Chain.
Okay. Which is much cheaper. You can have like $10 and it's quite enough, right?
Yeah, the cost is like, 1/10 of Ethereum, maybe even more at times. And faster too.
Yeah, correct.
All right, so method number 2, I'm just going to use BNB because this is what we have in our test account. And then right now I don't have any PRQ, so we can actually see the
Beautiful.
PRQ balance add up as we do this.
Okay.
So go to the blog and you'll see PancakeSwap PRQ BUSD link. You're going to go ahead and click this,
Okay.
and it will bring you up to PancakeSwap, which is one of the most popular DEX in Binance Smart Chain. Now, when you see this, you'll see from and to. Essentially, we're just going to swap tokens that you have. In this case, I have BNB, so I choose BNB. If you have BUSD, anything else, just type in the token that you have and make sure that's selected in the from section.
Okay. So just a quick note for beginners. We normally are accustomed to buy, like if you have your whatever money you're using, like peso or something, and you want to get dollars, you say, oh, I go to buy dollars. But essentially what you're doing is just swapping. So in DeFi, you don't say buying a token necessarily, but just swapping whatever other token you have to the token you want to have. In this case, we have the BNB and we want to change it, just to swap it to PARSIQ's token machine again.
Very good point, yeah. And in a way, we say buy and swap a lot. It's actually really the same thing. When you buy something, you're actually just swapping your US dollars for a product or something.
Exactly.
So
Okay.
it's the same concept. So then now, very important too, this has to be the PRQ because obviously you need the token. Now, for first timers, this might be blank. It's not going to say anything. And the thing is, you need to enter this contract ID that we took earlier, which represents PRQ on BSC network. Copy it again. You're going to go back into here. And it says search name or paste address. So I'm just going to paste the address. And it will show PRQ. Don't worry if it's a question mark. That's just a visual thing.
Yeah.
PRQ, and you're going to click add to wallet. So since I already added, right, it's in here, added by user.
Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, you just click on it and that's it. It will appear immediately there.
Yeah. And try not to type in PRQ because in the blockchain world, there could be the same token with the same exact name. And a lot of scammers do this. And it happens with every single project, basically.
Yeah. Yep. Nice.
Yeah. So the only way to ensure you have the right and buying the right PRQ is to copy and paste the address that the official team provides.
Yeah. So always make sure to check that, on your browser, the right address. And normally it's secured, right? HTTPS, right? And just make sure that it's always the exact address. Any small change, you're in the wrong one and you could lose your money.
That is correct. Yeah.
Okay, machine. And then?
Okay. So yeah, let's just take a test amount. I'm just going to trade 0.0, maybe 4 BNB. It says insufficient. Okay. So sometimes there's a bit of a hiccup, right, with Pancake itself. If you don't see the swap button come up, try hitting the max button.
And then
you can
adjusting to the
adjust
number
how
you
much
want to.
Yeah. This is a Pancake thing.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Now, if this is your first time swapping on PancakeSwap or to PRQ, you might see a button called Approve. Just click Approve and then click on the MetaMask. So all you're saying is, hey, I approve PancakeSwap to interact with my MetaMask wallet and spend some of my funds. So it's completely normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, and good thing you only have to do it once for each pair. So since I've done that, it says swap.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can double check the values, go in CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, check to make sure that the numbers look right. It looks right here, so I'm going to hit swap. Again, confirm the values. Oh, price updated. Go to accept. And then now it will open your MetaMask. You're going to hit confirm. Just leave the gas price and everything the way it is. It's very cheap anyways.
Beautiful.
So transaction submitted. Honestly, this might take, 10, 15 seconds, but you can always keep track.
And that's it.
Or actually, it finished.
That was quick. Good. Beauty.
It was.
So
I love it when it's quick and cheap.
yeah, of course, man. Okay, so now you showed us the two different ways to get PARSIQ, right? And to get it in the right place, which is the Binance Smart Chain.
That is right.
Okay.
So
and
earlier, because we already added PRQ to Binance Smart Chain network, you can see that I received the PRQ that I swapped for, so 35.553.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So that's it for method number 2.